Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Que no se ve esto. Se ve esto. Disculpen. Disculpen. Ahora sí. Ahora sí. Ok. 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 Dímelo, dímelo, puñeta. Dímelo, dímelo, puñeta. Dímelo, dímelo, puñeta. Mira todos los daily lows que cogimos ya. Mira, todos los daily lows que cogimos ya. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. FOMC minutes. FOMC minutes o Fed minutes. FOMC minutes. Sí. Got it right, bitch. Okay. So we're in a premium green candle right now. Okay. Bodies of the candle quedándose aquí adentro. BC de 4 horas. Aquí body cerró, pero estamos en un BC básicamente. Okay. Gap above. Gap above. Huh? Oh. Okay. Hacia 2, ya estamos halfway through the range. Premium from the drop. %. Hacia 3 standard deviation. 2 standard deviation in ES. We just got a high, 30-minute high there. 1 hour high. Yeah. So we've been bearish, pero cogimos muchos daily lows. Weekly lows, look. Weekly low taken. Weekly low taken. We're already in this range, daily range in discount. Daily range in discount. Then bullish 4-hour BC, bullish 4-hour BC. Me inclino, honestamente. Me inclino bullish. Me inclino bullish. Because we took important liquidity. 10 minutes in 1 minute. We hit 1 hour aquí. Daily open 12 a.m. Un buen short aquí. What's a good short aquí? Trendline liquidity. Let's see. Equal lows here. 30 segundos va a salir la noticia esta. There's no there is a no divergence right now. 5 minute busy. Neutral right now. Neutral. Estamos en descuento. Ese es el problema de shortear aquí. Let's see how 1 minute reacts. We wick.
And those minutes crossing as we speak, the majority of Fed members saw inflation risk outweighing the employment risk. That is the red sticky crossing the Bloomberg terminal. The minutes of the Federal Reserve, July 29th to 30th, crossing just now. Many noted the full effect of tariffs could take some time. In addition to that, several members of the FOMC flagged the risk of inflation expectations unanchoring, and several expected companies would pass tariffs to consumers. Several also noted concerns about elevated asset valuation. Several members said current rate may not be far above neutral. Once again, these are the minutes released of the July 29th through 30th meeting in Washington, D.C. I want to bring in Stuart Paul right now. He's U.S. economist for Bloomberg Economics. He joins us here in the Bloomberg Business Week studio. Stuart, a lot has happened since this meeting actually took place. The non-farm payrolls report that came out as a shock, a weaker ISM manufacturing, a surge in producer prices. We'll talk about those in a second. Your immediate reaction to what just crossed, though?
Incrementally more hawkish than what we saw in June. What we're really thinking about when we look at these minutes is whether more or fewer than most committee members feared persistent tariff-induced inflation, and whether more or fewer than many committee members expected a more gradual softening of labor market conditions. As you pointed out, the majority saw inflation risks outweighing employment risk, and at the time of the meeting, that likely was the case. But these minutes were just a bit stale, even just 2 days after the FOMC.
That's when that shocking non-farm payrolls report came out.
That's exactly right.
Prior revisions, too.
That's exactly right. And so the fact that at the time...
I'm gonna try it.
Would have failed.
Whoops, entré en ES.
Being written that most, or the majority, interchangeable words here, saw inflation risk outweighing unemployment risk. That's likely shifting right now. And so as we read through these minutes just a little bit more, the thing that we want to keep in mind, and the thing that we
One
want to
contract
how
only.
The majority was, and how loosely held was that view of the majority. How easily will they be swayed to thinking that at the current moment, with the revisions that we have now,
Okay, break even.
If we take a look at the bond market right now, we're not seeing a ton of movement in the front end of the curve. The 2 years down about 1 basis point. If you do look, though, at the WIRP page on the Bloomberg terminal, the model estimates about an 84% chance of a cut by that September meeting. Knowing what you know now about the minutes and, of course, the data that we've seen in between then, Does that seem about right? 84% chance of a cut?
It does seem about right. It almost seems like the conversation should be moving to whether the risk is that there will be no cut in September or a 50 basis point cut in September. I think that right now risk is probably skewed towards zero cuts from, right now, obviously, consensus view is that there's going to be 125 basis point cut.
Maybe we
Risk
go
is
take
probably
the lows
skewed
of the
down.
day.
The thing that probably matters from these minutes is that
Hubiera entrado aquí,
FOMC members,
pero no tenía.
the Monetary Policy Committee here, were more so focused on inflation risk. And with tariffs incrementally rising, they're going to be even more focused on inflation. And I think that that's something that they're going to need to weigh against the renewed or altered view of the labor market.
It brings me to another headline, Stuart. Several of the members expected companies would pass tariffs to consumers. Is that surprising? Is that news at all to you? I mean, I think that's kind of been the expectation.
That is,
But the PPI print that came in showed that a lot of companies were absorbing this.
that's right. So companies are absorbing this. The line that I'm
We
focused
could get
on
stop
right now
here,
is
aquí en break even. I don't mind getting stop break even here. Not sure if I would add another contract. In discount hourly. Mm. Ready, cogimos ya esta liquidez. Shortear aquí en este sí está peligroso, honestamente. En mi opinión. Por eso se ha visto débil, pero tampoco es para ser un fucking anormal. I don't know, vamos a ver si llegamos al lower day. Eso es medio greedy de mi parte pensar que vamos a lower day. The fuck.
FOMC minutes came out. The majority saw inflation risk outweighing employment risk. Several members flagged risk inflation expectations remain acceptable and some companies pass tariffs to consumers. What is your instant reaction to these minutes? It's very interesting because what we had seen is a fairly strong employment June in July, and then we got the CPI numbers that were worrisome in terms of inflation going up.
Yeah, might get stopped on a reversal here. Cogimos ya este liquidity. We took a lot of daily lows. Cogimos muchos daily lows already. So we got to be careful. Not careful, I'm not just not adding any more contracts. I'm break even, I'm not losing anything. Yo no sé por qué estoy hablando inglés. Estoy break even, no voy a perder nada si le da mi stop.
In general, they were looking for about 6 months, say, the end of the third quarter, beginning of the fourth quarter this year. But it's been complicated by the fact that the Trump administration has been kind of thoughtful there. First they put them on, then they pause, they bring them back, and they don't support them. And they're spread out over a period of time. The other thing is companies bought in imports overseas early and trying to clear inventories so they could sell things without raising prices. Those inventories are getting run down, and prices are getting understood. You're seeing the earnings of some of these so we should start seeing it as what's going on.
Creo que me va a estopear el trade.
About remaking the Fed, partly about the efforts the Trump administration has had to weaponize the government against Democrats. But the thing about the Fed aspect of it is Cook is not a decisive policymaker, not a swing vote. So generally vote for the majority, generally vote for the chair in terms of leaving interest rates unchanged in recent months. Moving her wouldn't make a big difference in the president's driving down interest rates, but it would give him the opportunity to name another person to the Fed. They could name somebody who is much more sympathetic to low interest rates, and that's going to have an impact on a lot of economists that are going to react negatively to this news. But we don't know what the line is in terms of what may not have done, and the Fed doesn't.
Estamos en este trade, solamente arriesgué un contrato. Metí en IS, quería en Q, pero está bien.
Many years, so I think it's fair to ask about this pattern of doing that seems to be coming from the Trump administration, pursuing mortgage fraud allegations against high-profile Democrats, California Senator Adam Schiff, New York Attorney General James. There's also the alleged
Mm.
Very envious of the background that you're sitting in front of right now. It looks beautiful. Can you talk about the tone? What are, if there are much of the discussions at this meeting are actually going to be about Fed independence next year? And there's been so much talk, at least headlines, about Trump weighing in on who's big is going to be, who's going to be next. Is that really going to take up a lot of conversation?
Hammer candle doesn't look good. Parad short.
Talk a little bit more about labor stuff here. So what's interesting in the minutes, and all those are fabricated, that Fed officials seem to be more concerned about inflation, and they're saying that outweighs concerns over the labor market. What's the, I guess, tone going to be on that policy to driving that labor?
No sentí ahí que no me encanta.
Yeah, you had immigration stuff next to we spoke quite a bit about like this week when it comes to how that changes potentially changes the labor picture. And before that, you go one more the next potential Fed chair, David Zervis over at Jeffries, formerly of the Fed, that's where he began his career, then he moved west to Wall Street on
Stop
ABC.
in profit.
Earlier today, he said the Fed has never been independent of political pressures of the Fed always
Stop in profit. Me voy al stop porque hay un SMT aquí. SMT. Thank you, didn't take this low. Estamos en un BC de 1 hora. volume imbalance. Let's go. And Q not giving it up. 50% de esto aquí. I'm gonna trail my stop agresivo. Así que quiero coger profit aquí. Si cierra encima de este volume imbalance, va a cerrar el trade. Okay, drop now. Drop now. Drop. 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 Ha. Drop. Possible SMT. Let's go. Let's go. Vamos, puñeta. Okay, ganamos ese trade. We did it. En vivo y a todo color. Ahí ganamos ese short. Me gustó. Estuvo bueno. Woo! Bueno, eso fue todo por hoy. Nos vemos.